Tell us something about yourself.
Greetings. I am Borivoje Đurović. I am an aspiring player of video games and writer.
How long have you been in Helen Doron school?
For around 15 years, since I was 3.
Who were your teachers along the way?
I actually had multiple. There was one named Anna, there was one named Milena, and a few others that kind of just rotated.
What did you enjoy the most?
Well, I enjoyed the social atmosphere and overall getting to interact with a smaller group of people more intensely.
Do you have a favorite course?
Teen Express, I felt like the topics discussed there were the most interesting of all of them, and just overall, it was great fun.
Do you have a favorite present you have got from Helen Doron?
Yes, in fact, there was this one phone case, bag for your phone that you would wear around your neck. I still remember it. It's one of my favorites.
What do you like about Helen Doron school?
Overall, I really like the modern approach to education, and I feel like if all schools were structured similarly with groups that were smaller but more tight-knit, it would be so much better.
How do you feel about finishing all the levels?
I feel very accomplished. Slightly, it is a bittersweet ending, though, of course, as it is with any part of life. But I will treasure the memories I've made here, and as I move on in life.
Okay, congratulations and thank you.
Thank you.